Fully loosen the two captive thumb screws located at each end of the water loop carrier. While holding the water loop with both hands, gently lower it down. Insert the quick connect tip through the opening in the rear of the tray. Put the water loop down and ensure it is firmly seated on the system board. Fully loosen the two captive thumb screws located at each end of the water loop carrier. Lift the top side of the water loop and move it to the other half of the tray. Insert the quick connect into the tray opening. Lower the water loop down and ensure it is firmly seated on the system board. Loosen the 29 Phillips No. 2 water loop carrier screws. Lift each water loop carrier up and away from the water loop one at a time. Fasten the 21 Torx T10 water loop screws. Fasten the 4 Torx T10 screws per node to secure the quick connect. Fasten the 2 Phillips No. 1 screws on the rear of the node. Rotate the anti-tilt wire bales outwards to the locked position. Fully tighten all the Torx T30 captive screws on cold plates following the installation sequence shown on the cold plate labels. Fasten the 16 Phillips No. 1 GPU adapter screws. Slide the clamp plates into the node and install the Torx T10 screws. Install the front and rear cross braces. Install the tray cover.